What's up, traders? Matt from the Trade Brigade here doing a technical analysis on ticker symbol MMAT for Metamaterials Inc. On the left-hand side, we are looking at the daily time frame, and on the right-hand side, the 30-minute intraday time frame. These guys are, we've talked about them in the past. This will be more of an update. The chart is obviously marked up, but what I wanted to bring up was a critical sort of shift here, if you will, where we're starting to reject the breakdown point, right? So here at $3.08, we had support, and then when it broke, now it's starting to act as resistance. So to me, you should be starting to look for short-sided trade ideas here. And again, flipping over to the trade tab, the only way to really do this is via options. And on today's activity, a lot of open interest here, but not a whole lot of volume is actually changing hands. So please be careful if you do try to short this with some sort of option spread. Even if you go out to our next series here, let's check in on this one. Not a whole lot, or way less volume trading here. Non-standard, we're not going to bother with. And then the next monthly really isn't doing that much volume as well. So please, the short idea really isn't the best. It's rather just, an announcement to try to avoid longs at this point here inside of MMAT. If we just scrunch up the chart, remember what this looks like from a, longer time frame perspective, not the prettiest thing, right? So zooming back into some more relevant price action, that the target underneath here, if we start to flush some of these lows around, if we grab that other tool and try that one more time, we'll do something like that. If we start to flush these lows here around this 285 mark, then it's kind of down the toilet to 267. And again, when we're trading something sub 5, that's not a percentage move, anything to shake a stick at here. After that, $2.50 should be on your radar. Taking a look at the 30-minute intraday perspective here, just to check in on today's close. How was it, right? What did we do on today's activity? So the 930 bar is this green one here. And if we go from the low of this move up to the high of the day, how did we do in terms of 38.2? Did it hold? Absolutely not. So the 38.2 is the first one. Sliced right through, 50% sliced right through, 61.8 sliced right through, and actually found acceptance, sideways consolidation underneath the 61.8. So as we always like to say, that greatly increases the odds that we at least go to the 100%, so violate the low here at 292, and obviously after that it puts into play that 285 flush point, which we discussed from the daily perspective, and then those lower targets. So it's kind of just avoid longs on this until it really starts to show new signs of strength. And until that happens, again, just not something I would really advise anyone watches for, even tries to stab short with those put options. The volume there is kind of pathetic. So all things considered, my thoughts here on MMAT going forward. If you enjoyed the video or learned anything new, let me know in the comments section or by giving the video a thumbs up. Don't forget our main channel is linked in the description, and all of that being said, I wish you a green trading week.